Good morning, students. Today we will see class 9 chemistry chapter number 3 atoms and molecules. Since our last lecture we are solving the numericals depending on the mole concept, and one numerical from page number 41 from your NCERT book we have seen. So in this, the next numerical we will see here. In that we have to calculate mass of the particle, mass of nitrogen molecule, not atom. Here nitrogen molecule. As the molecule of nitrogen is diatomic, we have written here and 2. I have written here and 2. That is N2 gas molecule. So what is given again? That we will write here. So what is given? First problem we will solve. For all problems we have to solve M, mass. But what is the first condition? 0.5 mole of N2 gas and mass from mole of molecule. Mass हमको यहाँ पर calculate करना है. What is given? 0.5 mole it is given here. And M, capital M, we can calculate from the atomic mass of nitrogen. So it is diatomic, that's why I have taken here what is the atomic mass of nitrogen? 14U. So here we have to take in gram. So molecular mass, what we have to take here? 14 plus 14, as it is diatomic. That is 28 gram, it is came out. It is now the formula here for number of moles. It is equal to small m upon capital M, means mass of the nitrogen molecule upon molecular mass of the nitrogen molecule. Given mass of nitrogen molecule upon molecular mass of nitrogen molecule, means small m upon capital M. So we need here m, and we have to calculate small m. So what will be? M is equal to n into capital M. So we can put the values, and it is given here 0.5. Again capital M also we have calculated here. That is 28. So what will be? What will be the calculation here? 28 5 we can do here also. I know, but for your understanding I am doing here. 8 5 4. 5 2 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So 0.1, 0.5. That's why we have to give here point. So that what will be the mass? 14.0 means 14 gram will be the mass of nitrogen molecule for 0.5 mole. एक मोल के लिए कितना है? एक मोल के लिए 28 ग्राम है मॉलिक्यूल का मास. तो 0.5 मतलब हाफ मोल के लिए कितना होगा? 14 ग्राम. ओके. So by unitary method also we can solve this problem. What we have to calculate? Mass. I have written in that right side, and what is given? Mole. So for 1 mole it is 28 gram, equal to its gram equivalent weight. Okay. So 1 mole is equal to 28 gram for nitrogen molecule. Then for 0.5 mole, how much gram? That we have to calculate here. So M is equal to cross multiplication 0.5 into 28. Just now we have calculated divide by 1. Just now we have calculated, that is equal to 14 gram. So by both method we have solved this problem. So it is for you 0.5 mole of N atoms. So instead of N molecule, what is given here? An atom. An atom is given. So for an atom, what will be the molecular mass or atomic mass? It is atom. So that atomic mass we have to consider for nitrogen. Understood? And molar same 0.5 mole. तो एक मोल का एटॉमिक मास कितना होगा इसका? नाइट्रोजन का 14. तो हाफ मोल के लिए कितना? 7 आएगा आंसर. यस, वी नो दैट. तो फॉर 1 मोल के लिए कितना आता है? इक्वल टू इट्स atomic weight. So here what is given? We have to calculate M. Mole is given 0.5 mole. We can calculate capital M, that is atomic mass 14 gram. put the values in the formula. Here m is equal to n into m, similar in previous problem, and 0.5 molar same, and here instead of 28 we have to write here 14. Then we will get answer 7 gram by calculating. Same here for 1 mole of atom, nitrogen atom. What is the molecular atomic mass? Atomic mass will be 14 gram. So for 0.5 mole, how much mass will be there? So here instead of 48, we have to write here 14. And just now we have calculated, that will be 7 gram. So it is the second condition. So after that, here in the form of mass, or now it is given here number of particles. Number of particles are given. So what will be the formula for number of mass we have to calculate? Means mass is also mentioned in problem, and in the third one number of particles are also mentioned here. That's why both things are given, so that we have to use the mix formula. So that we have to use here mix formula. What is our mix formula? We will see here. Mass we have to calculate for all. That's it. And what is condition? What is given? Given is number of particles, that are n is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 is here, and n0 we know very well, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It is the Avogadro's number. So number of particles are given and mass is given. That's why we have to mix the second type of formula, that mix formula. Yes. So what will be the m? M will be n upon n0 into capital M. This is our formula. We have to put the value. And what will be the m here? M is equal to, what is for what? N atoms. For we are calculating for n atom. Means nitrogen atom we have to take here. Yes. For nitrogen atom, number of particles are given 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Yes. So capital M is equal to, for an atom, 40 gram. Okay. So put the value in this formula. Here n is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 multiplied by m, that is 14. So that this will be cancelled out. These ones are, these twos are. So what will be 14 divided by 2? So 7 gram will be the mass of that n atom, where particles are given equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So by unitary method also we can solve it. Number of particle mass we have to calculate, and number of particles, number of an atom. Particles we know here. That's why I have mentioned directly number of atom. So हमको पता 1 mole of nitrogen atom, of an atom क्या है? 14 gram. उसका atomic weight in the form of mass, it is 14 gram, equal to its atomic weight. And again, what is 1 mole? Forever 0.22 into 10 to the power 23. Both we can consider here. So for mass, mass 14 gram, what is the number? Avogadro's number, because 1 mole is equal to both. So these are equal. 1 mole is equal to 14 gram is equal to Avogadro's number 6.022 that we have mentioned into 10 to the power 23. So both are equal. That's why we can take the values here. Is for 14 gram, what are the number here? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and for given a number of molecules, given number of atoms, 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. So how much? Mass. Understood? ये 1 मोल का तो स्टैंडर्ड होता है, 1 मोल के लिए मास होता है 14 ग्राम और पार्टिकल्स होते हैं इतने. तो अभी पार्टिकल्स कितने दिए? 3.011. इट इज गिवन, दीज आर गिवन पार्टिकल. तो हाउ मच विल बी द मास? इतने पार्टिकल्स के लिए इतना मास है, तो इतने गिवन पार्टिकल के लिए कितना मास? दैट इज द यूनिटरी मेथड. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट हियर. m is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 multiply by 14 upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Just now we have calculated here. It is equal to 7 gram. So m is equal to mass of an atom is equal to 7 gram. Okay. So next is given number of atom molecules. Here N2 molecules. How much molecules are there? These are equal to same as Avogadro's numbers, 0.022 into 10 to the power 23, and also n is equal to the same number, and it is N2 molecule. N2 molecule. And now for molecule, diatomic 14 plus 14, 28 gram will be the capital M here. So we have to calculate here small m. Put this value in the formula, same in our previous problem, and take out the value. It is given in your textbook also answer. And what will be the same number? 28, because this will be cancelled. N upon n0, same number, then it will be cancelled and multiply by m, that is 28. So answer will be 28. Okay, 28 gram will be the mass. So you have to do in your notebook in this manner. Okay. So we will go towards the next problem and we will see in our next lecture. Okay. Thank you.